Welcome back. In today's session, we are going to see how to simulate Arduino programs using Proto software. So we have all heard about Arduino and its applications. First, what is Arduino? Arduino is one of the open source electronic platform which is very useful for making simple hobby electronics into some higher level application projects. Nowadays, Arduino is becoming very popular because of its simple programming structure and the availability of codes and libraries in the internet. If the Arduino codes can be simulated by Proto software means it will be very useful for troubleshooting the codes before its hardware implementation. Today we are going to see simulation of some simple Arduino codes using Proto software. The codes are LED interfacing with Arduino, LCD interfacing and DC motor interfacing. Now we start with some minimum basics about Arduino board. This Arduino Uno operates with an 8-bit microcontroller Atmega 328P and its operating frequency will be 13 MHz. And it has 14 digital I/O pins D0 to D13, 14 digital I/O pins used to connect digital IOs, digital input output devices. And it has 6 numbers of analog inputs. For input purpose only, we have A0 to A5 and it has inbuilt A to D converter. And Arduino has 6 numbers of PWM outputs, pulse width modulation output, pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. So which is also used as analog output pins. So by this minimum basic, we are going to simulate some simple Arduino codes using this Protus. So the first experiment is LED interfacing or blinking an LED using Protus and Arduino software. So in Arduino, we are going to connect an LED to the output pins D13. So here an LED is connected to the pin number 13 through 100 ohm resistance. Why this 100 ohm resistance means the rated voltage of LED is 2.2 volt while the output of Arduino is 5 volt. So to drop the remaining 2.8 volts, a 100 ohm resistance is used here. So we are going to write a program for blinking the LED like this for a 1 second delay. So in this programming section, so while opening the Arduino IDE, there is two functions. One is void setup and another one is void loop. So inside the void setup, the code written is executed in only one time, while the code written inside the void loop is executed in infinite times. So while opening the IDE, it will be appear like this. Then we go for the programming part. So now we already connected one LED to the pin number 13. So we have to assign the pin number 13 as output. So in void setup, there is only one line, pin mode 13, output, to make this 13 pin as output. So in void loop, digital write 13, high. So it is turned on the LED as high. So then delay 1000 milliseconds. 1000 millisecond means 1 seconds. So after 1 second delay, digital write 13, low. So the LED is now turned off. Then after 1000 millisecond or 1 second delay, then again digital write 13 high. Again 1 second digital write 13, low. So this loop executes infinite times though, so the LED will glow like this. So the programming part is over. Now we are going to simulate this program using Proto software with the help of Arduino IDE. So now open the Arduino IDE. I think you have already installed in your laptop. So copy or type the code. So delete the lines already existing. Paste here. And now we are going to compile the program. So while compiling, it will check for error, and the compiler compiles and it converts into machine language. Machine language means hexadecimal format. So here the language is higher level one. It is converted into machine language using the compilers. So before going that, we have some simple procedures. Go to preferences. So kindly check in all the checkboxes are enabled except use external editor. So in many times some of the checkboxes will not be enabled. So enable the checkboxes except use external editor. Then only we can see where our hexadecimal file is available. So press OK. So program is ready. Then go to compile button. Press tick. Ask to save. So in desktop, file name is LED. Press save. The compiler is compiling. So if there is no error, there is one information done compiling. So after compiling this, we are going to see where our hexadecimal file is available. Here, before to the last two lines, there is a path. So led.ino.hex, here's a path. So this path is very much important while simulation of the program using Protus. So now go to the Protus software. And simply here schematic capture, click. Then if you install the Arduino library already, go to component mode, then pick components, type Arduino. So here there is an Arduino board. Press OK. You can place here. So to rotate, press plus. Now I want to an LED. Pick, type LED. Inside optoelectronics, there is animated yellow. So to rotate, plus key. And I want 100 ohm resistance. Pick 100 R. So in resistance, 0.6 metal film. Click the resistance. Rotate. Then I want ground. Place terminal ground. So connect this. So connection is ready. Now we need to put the program here. So how to copy the program inside the Arduino board. So double click the Arduino. There is one box, program file. So here in Arduino, there is a path, CA users led.ino.h. So copy this line, press Ctrl C, and here press Ctrl V, paste. Then press OK. So program also ready. Now run the simulation. Now the LED is blinking for a second. So in today's session, we completed the LED interfacing experiment using Protus. And tomorrow we are going to see about LCD and DC motor interfacing with Arduino. So thank you.